Okay, let's take a look at this self-practice 1.1e. This one you can find in page 3 on 5 math textbook. This is the topic of variation. Alright, when you have question 1, the value of resistance of a wire varies directly as its temperature. So that means when the temperature increases, the resistance will also increase. The question wants you to state the change on the value of resistance if the temperature increases by 10%. So for A, 1A, so when you have the temperature increases by 10%, you will also have value of resistance to increase by 10%. Why? Because because the value of resistance varies directly as the temperature. So if temperature goes up, the resistance will go up. If the temperature goes down, the resistance will go down. Okay. Part B, the value of resistance. What is the value of resistance if the temperature decreases by half? So you have the temperature decreases by half, you will have the value of resistance also decreases by half. Part C, state the change on temperature if the value of resistance decreases by 1/4. So this time we have the change in resistance. So resistance decreases by 1/4. What happened to the temperature? Temperature also decreases by 1/4. Right? So that's for part 1. For question 2, one Wardina wants to buy green beans selling at RMX per kg. State the price if one Wardina buys 500 grams of green beans. So we know 500 grams equals 0.5 kg or half kg, right? So when we have that, we can state that the price that one Wardina will have to pay is half of RMX. Okay, so the price is half of RMX. For B, state the price if one Wardina buys 2 kg of green beans. So now we have the weight of green beans doubles from X to 2X. So we know the price now is doubled. So by double, it means the price now will become RM 2X. All right, or price doubles when 2 kg is bought. All right. All right, for number 3, table below shows the relation between time needed and number of bottles of jam produced. State the change in the number of bottles when time is double. So when time is double, here we can see this is 5 minutes, this is 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25. So from here to here, we can see the time is double. So from 5 times 2, you get 10. So that's when the time is doubled. So when the time is doubled, you have the number of bottles produced also is doubled. So you can see number of bottles of jam produced doubled. Right. And for part B, state the change in number of bottles of jam produced when time is halved. So separuh lah, or it's being cut by half, by 50%. From here to here, we can see the number of bottles also cuts in half. So we can say number of bottles of jam produced is also cut in half or cut by half. Okay, all right.